In this video, we will show you 3 different methods for freezing cilantro, so you can choose the one that works best for you. You will learn how to freeze cilantro in ice cubes, vacuum-sealed containers, or Ziploc bags, and keep it fresh for months. So, let's get started and freeze some cilantro. I'm Sabrina, a food enthusiast from Blogging at Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Freezing cilantro in ice cubes. Step 1. Clean and cut it. Clean your cilantro thoroughly and remove any discolored or wilted leaves. Remove the stems and chop the leaves into small pieces. Step 2. Add cilantro in tray. Fill each slot of an ice cube tray about 2/3 full with the chopped cilantro. Step 3. Cover in oil or water. Pour olive oil or water into the tray slots, enough to cover the cilantro completely. Cover the tray with cling film. Step 4. Freeze for a short period. Place the tray in the refrigerator or freezer and freeze until the cubes are partially frozen. Step 5. Freeze for the final time. Once the cubes are partially frozen, remove them from the tray and transfer them to a container or freezer bag. Place the bag in the freezer until the cubes are fully frozen. Method 2. Freezing in vacuum-sealed container. Step 1. Clean the cilantro. Rinse the cilantro well and remove any discolored or wilted leaves. Step 2. Blanch the cilantro. Optional: blanch the cilantro in boiling water for 15 to 30 seconds, then, immediately transfer to ice water to cool. Dry the cilantro thoroughly. Step 3. Toss in oil. Combine the cilantro with a spoonful of olive oil to prevent it from becoming mushy when frozen. Step 4. Seal it up. Place the cilantro in airtight freezer bags, pressing out as much air as possible. Label the bags with the date and contents. Step 5. Seal it up. Store the bags of cilantro in the freezer, placing them on the top shelf to prevent them from getting squashed. Method 3. Ziploc bags. Step 1. Clean the cilantro. Rinse the cilantro well and remove any discolored or wilted leaves. Step 2. Slice into sprigs. Cut the cilantro into sprigs of the desired length. Step 3. Seal in bag. Place the cilantro sprigs in a sandwich bag, squeezing out as much air as possible. Roll up the bag and fasten with an elastic band or tape. Step 4. Label and freeze it. Place the bags of cilantro in a freezer bag, label it with the date and contents, and store in the freezer.